This is the data cable which I have used a lot to transfer data, but I no longer use this data cable because I have something better. So this is the Blip application which I use to transfer data, and I got to know about this application through the video of MKBHD, a most popular tech YouTuber. And why do I use this application? What is something better in this application which this data cable do not have? So if I compare the use of this data cable to the use of this application, then I found there are few downside of this data cable. So in order to transfer data, this data cable must be always with you. You have to carry this data cable, but this is not the case with this Blip application, because this application is always installed in your smartphone or any device. And the second downside of this data cable is that this is 1 meter long data cable. So whenever you want to transfer data or file from one device to another, then you must be very close to the device you are connected to. So this is 1 meter long data cable. You can't move 1 meter away from the device you are transferring or taking file. So but this is not the case with this Blip application. This Blip application works wirelessly. You can move around while transferring file or taking file. So today I am going to show you the use of this application, and there is something beyond this about this application what I have told you. You can use this application to transfer a file from one country to another country. But today I am going to show you that I will transfer a file from this laptop to this mobile phone. So in order to transfer or take a file, your only thing you have to have is a good internet connection, usually in an internet connection. So this application requires an internet connection to transfer data. So now I am going to sign up in this application on both the devices, in my laptop and in my smartphone. Before I sign up this application, I am going to show you from where to download this application. So this is from where you can download the Blip application, and I will provide you the link of this website or this application in the description. There are so many versions of this application: Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone and Linux. You can download any one of these versions as per your needs. So I have already downloaded this application in my laptop and my mobile phone. Now I am going to do sign up. So now I have signed up this application in my laptop, and now I am going to do the same thing in my mobile phone. So I have, sorry. So now the both devices have scanned each other automatically. I have used the same Gmail to sign up these both application in my smartphone, and in my laptop I have used the same Gmail account. So simply means I want to transfer of my one device to another. As you can see, this smartphone is showing the connection, the name of my laptop, and this laptop, in this laptop, this is showing the name of this smartphone. Now you can clearly see that this application have scanned each other, automatically scanned each other. Before I show you how to transfer a file from one device to another device with this application, I want to mention one thing, that if you are transferring file to someone who is close to you, then it is better for you to have a same internet connection. Both the devices must be connected to the same internet connection, because it will give you a super fast speed. And if you want to transfer file to someone who is away from you, who is sitting on the different country, then it is not possible for both of you to connect it to the same internet connection. Then you can use the different internet connection, but you are not going to experience a super high speed. At that time your transfer speed will be same as your internet connection. It simply means your file transferring speed will be as much as your internet connection. So I am now transferring file from this mobile phone to this laptop. They both are very close to each other. That's why I will use the same internet connection in order to experience a super high speed. So let's get started. So I am now going to transfer a file from this laptop to this smartphone. So as you can see, this is 746 MB file. So now I am going to transfer this file from this laptop to this smartphone. Now I am getting the file in my mobile phone. This is what the speed I am getting right now. I am getting currently around 150 Mbps of speed. I do not know why is this application currently giving this very less speed. I myself have experienced around 500 Mbps of speed. So I do not know why is this happening. Now, as you can see, the I have in this application I have finished transferring, and now the same file you can see is there in my smartphone. So it took this application to it took around 10 to 12 seconds to this application to transfer a file from one device to another. So if you want to share a file to someone else, means someone with a different Gmail account, then use this option, send to other people. This option is meant for transferring file to someone else, means someone who have this Blip application with different Gmail account. So this is how this application works. I have not I as far as I know that I have not shown you the use of this application in detail. This is just an overview I have given you. So inshallah in the time to come I will upload a detailed video on the same topic. So inshallah I will meet you in the next video.